I got Anthony over here. He's helping me out put some side markers on because my side markers were busted. But you know, it's another beautiful day, another mod to get. Let's get these side markers changed.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel here. So today, working on Billy's AP2. We're doing the OEM replacement side markers. So as you can see, the original ones, the tabs were broken and they don't really sit in there that well. So yeah, it was time for some new ones. Yeah, you know, we just had it laying around like that. So, but as you can see, these are the new OEM ones, left and right side. They're actually different part numbers. So yeah, I mean, they're universal for AP1, AP2. They're the same thing. So as you can see, the new ones, it's got the new tabs and the other tab on the other side. So we're gonna go ahead and remove the old ones and install the new ones. All right, guys, so we're gonna reinstall the new driver's side marker. So you're just gonna flip this in and turn it clockwise, and you want to insert this tab in first towards the rear, the slant facing the rear, and then you're just going to push on the front, and then you'll hear it pop into place. Bam, bam, bam.
It won't work if you don't say the bam. It will not work.
All right, same thing as the driver's side. You want this little tab facing the rear and the slant facing the rear, and clockwise till it, and then same thing. Bam. As he mentioned, bam, or else it doesn't work. We just finished Billy's AP2, installed brand new OEM side markers. They look fabulous. But yeah, I mean, like I said, we just finished it. Car looks great now, back to OEM. The other ones were kind of janky, hanging out. But if there's any other videos you'd like to see, please reach out to us, DM, Facebook, Instagram. And we'd be happy to show you any other videos you guys request. And like we said earlier, and we'll keep saying, we're gonna just keep modding our cars, and we'll be putting up videos just to help, you know, other S2000 owners with installs, and just for other viewers to entertain them. So yeah, just give us a follow and check out our Facebook.